Good morning, my friends. Welcome back. It is a big day. It is officially the day we are taking our first little road trip in the Peterbilt. Without further ado, that's all I got for you. We're about to fire the trucks up and get on the road, and we'll talk, we'll catch up, and we'll explain later. But you know, I'm not even gonna say it. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. But yeah, we've driven this thing before. It's been solid, and that's all we're gonna say. We're just gonna make sure everything is good, and yeah, let's get there and let's make it happen. She sure looks good, that's for sure. On the trip in the cab here, hopefully you can hear me. I feel like I'm screaming, but it's really loud in here. Obviously, like I mentioned in the last video, if you didn't watch the last video, go watch the last video, but everything's going well. It's just really loud. There's no sound deadening, there's no carpet, there's no interior. We have loud stacks, it rattles, but you know what? It's a project, and we're driving, and everything seems to be good, minus the rear end seal that we had to add a whole bunch of fluid to. It is not happy right now. It is definitely leaking quite a bit. We're about halfway through our trip. We just stopped to check. We'll be fine getting there, but it is definitely spraying quite a bit behind us. So Michael's driving the 15 behind us, and the front of the 15 is not happy right now. But coolant temp's good, running at like 150. Engine oil temp is good, air pressure is good, brakes feel good. The steering wheel is crooked because when we lowered it, it obviously threw the steering geometry off a little bit. But the truck is riding good, riding pretty smooth. Like I'm not super uncomfortable at all. It's just loud, which I'm okay with. You know, I probably should have brought some earplugs, some earmuffs, but yeah, we're doing it. We're about, like I said, about halfway there, And I think we'll just catch up while we're there because there's no good way to get where we're going. And as you can see, we are just driving through the middle of the mountains. There's no direct highway route to get where we're going. So I'm gonna pay attention to the road, make sure the truck gets there in one piece, and we'll catch up when we get where we're going. But overall I'm pumped. I'm not gonna be able to wipe the smile off my face for quite a while because I don't think you get any more cooler or badass than driving along those peaks. Well, if it's manual, that would be an even bigger plus. But you know what? We're making it happen, and this is probably going to be the last trip that we ever have to drive with this thing being automatic. So I'm pretty sure you guys know where we're headed. So anyway, I'm out. I'll see you when we get there. Do it at least one time. All right, maybe twice. Aha! Yeah, I know I'm a kid. I don't care. Alrighty, guys, here we are. Sure most of you guys already knew. Fitzgerald coming in hot. You guys can't see anything out here. It's way too dark. All right, boys, we have made it. We have made it. First official trip is in the books. Not like our first ever trip with the truck, but you know, first trip with it being back together like this. You know, which I would consider you know, almost a whole new truck. Whew. Man, you want to feel like a certified unit. Drive yourself a long-nosed Pete. How bad is she back here, buddy?
I don't think it's terrible. It's definitely wet. I think the tires got inner tire shine.
Yeah, inner tire shine. Look at that. Wow. I don't think it got to the brakes or anything. You know, we just really wanted to do a little rust prevention. Just, you know, like we were worried about the rust, so we well, what do you think? You think it's the back one? It's the front rear on the back?
Yeah.
Right there. You know, no one ever said she's perfect. You know, I just said she's perfect to me. You know, what's that? That's a country song, isn't it? She may not be perfect, but she's perfect to me.
I think that oil feed fixed all that engine oil leaks.
Like, I don't think it's got any leaks. We stopped about halfway. You know, the thermostat stayed at 150 the whole time. Like, do you think it's actually stuck open? Like, do you think it should get warmer?
Without a trailer? I don't think so.
She was just hauling. Did you hear me coming? Is this? Can you hear it outside of the truck? No. Is it because that thing's too loud, or?
I think it's both.
What about the Jakes?
You can hear the Jakes.
Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Cool. We got to make sure it's loud. You know, it is insanely loud inside. You wanna open up the hood, just give her a once over. She was clean. See if our new rubber bushings settled in, because we can barely get the hood open last time. Oh gosh, man, you helping over there? 1, 2, 3. Hold on, I gotta like put the camera down. Yeah, we've got these new hood bushings, man. They really like getting put where they're at. Man, I think everything's solid.
It's wonderful.
Man.
It's like we're in the driveway.
Whew. I love this thing. God, I love this thing. What a beast. So, let's get down to it, guys. Well, we are here at Fitzgerald Peterbilt. We're going to go see Brian and Tommy here. I don't know if Tommy's around, but I know Brian's around. We're back here at Fitzgerald Peterbilt because you guys know that the automatic transmission in this truck is the last thing standing between, you know, cowboy status with your long-nose Pete, you know? So we have to get rid of the automatic. And these guys were awesome enough. Are you okay? You're... Oh my gosh. So what we're doing is they found us an awesome deal on a 18-speed transmission. Really, why 18? It's just what we kind of found at a good price. So we got our 18-speed transmission, and they are going to help us swap and convert everything over. Super excited, super pumped, super thankful for the guys at the Semi-Casual Show. So if you guys don't already follow and subscribe to the YouTube channel Semi-Casual Show, you should, because they have way cooler Peterbilt content all the time. You got it there, Short Stack? We were hoping that these hood bumps really settled in over the last 2 hours, but it seems like we're still got a little stiction going. We should have just threw some grease on there, lubed them up a little, you know. But anyway, go follow the Semi-Casual Show YouTube channel and their Instagram. Awesome guys, and I am super pumped for the next phase of this beast because we are getting close to just driving this thing everywhere. And the man's, you know, we just had to get rid of the plunger. You know, I had a plunger in there pretending I was shifting the whole entire time. Everybody was waving at me as we were coming through town. I really just, you know, I'm at a high right now, except for the butt. Like, look at this. This thing was mint before we left, and it is destroyed now. It's okay. It's all right. Renegade,
really buggy, didn't it?
Renegade cleaning products make stuff every day, so we'll just have to wash it again.
Man, look at your stat.
Oh my gosh. Straight nailed. All right, well, I guess it's time to go find the guys. We're actually not doing any work today. We're actually just getting the trip out of the way. We're gonna be coming back in probably the next video or so to start doing all of the work, but we figured we would get the trip out of the way, make sure everything is good and solid before we have to do that in the middle of the morning or something crazy like that. So let's go see what they got going on. All right, we're moving again. We're in the wrong spot. We're gonna drive over to a different part. Look at this thing. Get it cleaned up. Whew. This is serious. This is the same truck that was sitting in the first bay the last time we were here?
Yeah, same truck.
Wow. Wow. Whew. Gosh. Wow. Just wow. This lighting up is super cool. That's so cool. Woo! Now that is an interior. My goodness. Oh my gosh. What does that say? Does that say Big Daddy up there?
Yeah, so the customer, he built this in memory of his dad.
Oh, okay.
His dad's nickname was Big Daddy.
Okay.
And so we had it put up here and then down on the pedals of the truck.
Oh, wow.
And then they stitched right here in memory of.
Now what?
This is an aluminum floor.
Oh, it's an aluminum floor just painted.
Painted.
Okay.
Yeah, we still got to clean this up.
Wow.
We just kind of drove it down. We got shifted obviously change out in here. And a couple of little...
Is that the radio controls up there? Like
CB radio, yeah.
CB and radio right there? Mm-hmm. Wow. I like the watermelon lights inside. They're awesome.
They're on a switch so you can, well, once you flip this switch off, you can...
Whew. That's cool. Oh, you got speakers back here too?
Yep. This thing's 7,800 watts.
Oh my gosh.
It's... We'll get Tommy when we turn this thing on and crank it up. It's wild.
Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Crazy. You know, speakers got to be louder than the stacks, you know what I mean? That's man. Oh, I'm in love. Oh my God. Woo. Oh my gosh. I've never heard too loud before. That might be. Holy. This thing must know that we're swapping it out because now all of a sudden now it doesn't want to go and drive all of a sudden. Sometimes this thing gets kind of pissed. Drive. Go and drive. Oh, there we go. Now we're good. All right. Got confused. That's why I just got to put that man's mission in there. Don't have to worry about that crap. Man, we really got blasted by some bugs. You guys can't even see, but the windshield is horrendous. All right, we're taking off. We are out of here. Delivery drop-off successful. This is the back of where they do all of the service work here at Fitzgerald. So if you're in Tennessee and you need service work, this is the place to be. Well, our baby is dropped off. Got her parked right next to another beautiful red 389. But we will be back here first thing early Monday, like early Monday, to start working on the transmission. So again, we wanted to get the drive out of the way today. Everything is good. We're gonna see about possibly fixing that seal. Otherwise, we'll just lose another gallon on the way home when we're done. But other than that, yeah, we're set to go. You guys will see all of the parts and how to swap an automatic to a manual on Monday. But we're out of here. We're taking off. Today was really just about the trip, which just lots of big plans on the horizon. Gonna just find some really cool stuff. I'm just gonna keep transforming it, but I'm so pumped. I'm just so excited about driving that thing. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. But anyway, we're hitting the road. See you later, Fitzgerald. We'll see you in 4 to 8 hours.